Hi guys, welcome to the magic of paper. Today we'll be learning how to create this very beautiful origami lily. You will need a square paper for this lily, and I'm using a 15 by 15 origami paper. First, fold your paper in half and leave a sharp crease. Open it back up and do the same thing again. Open your paper back up and fold it in half diagonally. Again, leave a sharp crease. Open it back up and fold the other diagonal. Now, open your paper like this along this crease and squash it down. Flip your paper and do the same thing again. Place your paper like this and make sure the opening is towards you. Take your paper like this, open this little pocket here, and squash it down. Again, do the same thing here. Open this pocket and squash it down. Continue doing it. And it will look like this after you finish. Now, turn your paper like this, so the two sides will have the same amount of flaps. Put this edge into the center. Do the same thing again. Leave a crease and open it back up. Now, open this pocket here and fold along the existing crease. And for this little triangle here, fold it down. Flip your paper and do the same thing. Open your paper like this. And do the same thing we just did before. And it will look like this after you finish. Now, put your paper like this and fold these edges into the center. flip your paper and do the same thing again. And open up these two sides. Repeat what we are doing. It should look like this after you finish. Place your paper like this, so the smooth side is facing up. Now, you can take a pen and curl up the petals. And that's how you fold the paper lily. Comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.